Hey rock stars, in this video we are about to unbox the UF8 8-channel mixer fader controller from Solid State Logic to control my mixes here in the studio. So get ready to rock. My name's Lid Shaw and welcome to Recording Studio Rockstars. If you want to learn how to record, edit, mix, and master your best record ever, then hit that subscribe button and like this video, and make sure to get my free mixing course with the link in the description. So I've just gotten in this box here from SSL. I'm very excited about it. This is the new UF8 controller, and I'm going to be getting a couple of these into my studio. As you can see, I've set up my mixing station to allow me to mix in Pro Tools. I'm transitioning to an all digital way of working, and I've already got the SSL UC1 controller, which is killer for operating the SSL channel strip plugin and the bus compressor. And now it of course comes with the 4K plugin as well from SSL. And then I've been using, and I've tried other fader controllers for Pro Tools before, but I'm really excited about getting into the UF8 because I think it is going to allow us to have a whole lot more control and immediacy of being able to interface with Pro Tools while I'm mixing, particularly by using the 360 software that's included from Solid State Logic. So let's open this box up and take a look at what's inside. I'm really excited about checking it out. Here you see the UF8 controller, and I've got 8 beautiful smooth faders right here. These things feel really great, like they are full throw faders, so that's great. Each one of these comes with a button that is gonna, be some of the standard stuff you'd expect, like a solo button, a cut for muting the channel, and a select for selecting the particular channel. You've got the soft knob up here, which I believe defaults to panning, but can represent a whole bunch of different other options too, whether it's send levels or controls for plugins and that sort of thing. And then part of what really makes this special over here, of course, is SSL includes a lot of additional soft keys that are really useful. These ones up here I think are all programmable, that are part of these different soft key configurations, so you can have these show different things. The scribble strips on this are some of the biggest that are out there, and these are going to give us tons of information, especially when we're mixing inside the SSL 360 app. Then we're really going to be able to put in a lot of information into these and see at a glance what's going on with each channel. So you've got a whole bunch of programmable layers right here. This button will open up the 360 app directly on the computer. Then you've got your sends and your plugin quick keys so that you can easily access any one of the sends from a particular channel or any one of the plugin slots and have those come up as well, I believe. So plugins, channel right here, you got page buttons. You can flip where you want to flip the small fader and the large fader, and maybe the large fader becomes, a send to a reverb or a delay for automation writing, or maybe it's actually automation as part of a plugin. That'd be cool too. Then you have all your automation commands down here. You've got off, read, write, trim, latch, touch, so all the usual suspects. So you can easily go into select, go into touch or something like that, and then just grab a fader and make a move. And when you let go, you're back out of record with automation, so that's really cool. Soft keys over here, you got programmable, VPOT, and soft key configurations, so that these can represent different features depending on how you're mixing, or you can have these do different macros, which are really cool. Then you've got your pan knobs here. You got a fine tune and a shift key button right here. Selection modes, normal, record, and automate. And then this right here is how you use this knob right here, this channel selector, and that'll take you through the different tracks, or of course you can just hit the select keys. Then you got more bank buttons right here. So you got page buttons and bank buttons, and then these navigational keys as well. So it comes with a separate power strip. Then you've got your USB cable, and this goes into the back, and then it's just going to go right into my USB hub. And then these are these custom sized legs for the back. These can go right on the back of the unit, and and it's going to raise it up to whatever height you want it to be. Just like my UC1 controller, which is already here, I can have them be a matched height. And as you can see, I've already got some other controllers here that have screens on them, which of course are a certain height. What's going to be nice about using the UF8s with the UC1 is I won't have any additional screen height there. So I'll be able to see levels and stuff like that. And it's all going to be one nice uniform mixing surface. That's going to be pretty awesome. And then I'll have plenty of access to the back there if I want to just, you know, I don't know, I can put something else back there if I want to put more monitors or things for, you know, seeing what's going on in my mix, that kind of stuff, or if I just want to get stuff out of the way and have more space. As I was saying, the UC1 brings up the channel strip, gives me easy access to EQ and compression. The UF8 is going to give me fader control right up here next to the UC1. I'm going to have one on either side of this, and I'm very excited about it, and I will be bringing more to you as soon as I get this all hooked up. If you want to learn more about the UF8 and the UC1 and all the other great products that are over at SSL, just go to solidstatelogic.com and we'll have the link right here. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you enjoyed this video, and a reminder to go pick up my free mixing course, mixmasterbundle.com, right in the show notes here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.